I wouldn't even bother with that tiny little outside one. Must have been having a crazy moment when I did that. I know anytime I cut out something on the cutting machine, I pick up everything that's left over and think, okay, so what can I use this for? And I'm trying to stop myself from doing that, because then you just have humongous amounts of scraps that 9 times out of 10, you're not going to use. Okay, and I did not ink this one. There we go. And perhaps for this I should have it not quite as bright as the blue, but that's okay. It's nice and clean looking. And now for this, you're going to take one of your photo mats from the kit, and you are going to cut the square to 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. This I will be inking, and then this guy and this guy, we're going to use the same method to glue this on. But these, the outsides, I'm going to ink. Just for a little bit of contrast. I know a lot of people use the rectangle, one of these guys. I personally find the round ones lets you get into smaller corners. And this should be the most challenging page in this album, I believe. Okay, so let's get this glued. Where did I put my mat? Should have just done this all at once. Again, not organized. Almost did the wrong thing. Make sure you have this the right side as well, because I'm not 100% sure if it matches up perfectly if you just flip it. It does. You're fine with that one. Slid a little bit, and I might have a bit of glue on the top. Usually use my little tweezers for this. Okay. And now we're going to score this. We're going to score it right here. So you're just going to line it up as best you can. And it doesn't need to be perfect. Trust me, mine is not. Oh, that's not easy. Maybe let's go from the other side. That's the ticket. And we're going to take this, excuse me, and we're going to glue the back side down. But we're going to leave this sticking up on this side so that you can tuck photo under it. So we will glue this part. And we'll actually glue just a wee bit right there, just above that score line. And we'll sit this right on top. Try to get it as centered as you can. Again, I never get anything centered. I can't cut a straight line. It's going to have to stay there. I would recommend doing 2 of these and gluing them together just to make it a little bit stiffer, depending on the paper you use. This is just a 65 pound, I think. For the pages, I used 110, so maybe use the 110 to cut that out. So there we are. That will stick up so that you can put something in it. And then this just slides right in here. Okay. What did I do? Oh, maybe I made my insert too big. Yeah, the insert, okay. No, it's fine, it's within, yeah, it's fine. So that's page number 2. So I am going to just take a little break and make sure I have everything here that I need for page number 3. And I will be right back.